Welcome back. Today, we're revealing the superhero hiding in your home, aloe vera. Stick around for 10 mind-blowing facts and a bonus tip that'll transform your skincare routine. Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of aloe vera. Fact 1. Aloe vera is a nutrient powerhouse, a veritable treasure chest of goodness hidden within its unassuming green leaves. It's more than just a pretty plant, it's a natural pharmacy. This succulent is packed with over 75 active compounds. We're talking about a complex blend of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids all working in harmony. It's a synergistic effect that amplifies the benefits, making aloe vera a truly remarkable natural remedy. Think of it, vitamin C, E, beta-carotene, plus essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, calcium, and potassium. It's a comprehensive nutritional profile. These aren't just trace elements, they're present in significant amounts, contributing to overall health and well-being. In essence, this plant is nature's multivitamin. It's a one-stop shop for essential nutrients delivered in a readily absorbable form. Forget synthetic supplements. Aloe vera offers a natural and holistic approach to nourishing your body from the inside out. It's not just goo, it's a potent elixir. That clear, viscous gel is brimming with life-giving compounds ready to be unleashed for your benefit. It's a symphony of nutrients working together for your health, a carefully orchestrated blend designed to optimize your well-being. Each component plays a vital role, contributing to the overall therapeutic effect. Aloe vera hydrates, soothes, and protects. It's a triple threat in the world of natural remedies. It quenches thirsty skin, calms irritations, and forms a protective barrier against environmental aggressors. Think of it as the overachiever of the plant world, constantly striving to exceed expectations. It's a versatile and adaptable plant, capable of addressing a wide range of health concerns. Every time you use it, whether topically or internally, you're tapping into a full-service wellness operation. You're activating a cascade of beneficial effects, promoting healing, and supporting overall vitality. It's like having a personal wellness consultant at your fingertips. Next time you see an aloe vera plant, give it some respect, acknowledge its power and potential. Recognize that it's more than just a decorative element, it's a valuable ally in your quest for optimal health. It's working hard for your health, silently and diligently, providing a wealth of benefits with minimal effort on your part. It's a true testament to the power of nature. And that's just the beginning. We've only scratched the surface of what aloe vera has to offer. Let's see what else this plant can do, as we delve deeper into its remarkable properties and explore its diverse applications. Get ready to be amazed. Fact 2. Aloe vera's history goes back over 6,000 years to ancient Egypt. The Egyptians called it the plant of immortality and used it for beauty and healing. Cleopatra and Nefertiti were fans, using it in their daily routines. Its legacy spans cultures, from Egyptians to Greeks, Romans, and beyond. Using aloe vera connects you to a tradition that's lasted millennia. It's not just a plant, it's a living legend. The plant of immortality lives on. Fact 3. Aloe vera is your sunburn's best friend. Its gel is 99% water, instantly hydrating and cooling sun-damaged skin. Glycoproteins reduce pain and inflammation, while polysaccharides help skin repair. It's not just relief, it's active healing. Think of aloe as a team of tiny firefighters for your skin. It's a natural, chemical-free remedy perfected over thousands of years. Don't leave for the beach without it. Aloe vera, the ultimate sunburn savior. Let's dive into another amazing fact about aloe vera. Fact 4. Aloe vera is a hydration superstar. This succulent isn't just a pretty plant, it's a powerhouse of moisture, ready to quench your skin's thirst. We're talking about serious hydration benefits that can transform your skincare routine. Think of it as giving your skin a big, refreshing drink of water straight from nature. Aloe vera is a fantastic addition for everyday skincare. Whether you're battling dryness, dealing with sensitive skin, or just looking to maintain a healthy glow, aloe vera can be your go-to hydrator. It's gentle enough for daily use and effective enough to make a noticeable difference in your skin's moisture levels. It absorbs quickly, which is a huge plus for those of us who don't want to wait around for our skincare to sink in. No sticky residue, no greasy feeling, just pure, fast-absorbing hydration. This quick absorption means you can layer it under makeup or other skincare products without any hassle. Delivering moisture deep into your skin, it doesn't just sit on the surface, it penetrates to hydrate from within. This deep hydration helps to plump up your skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and give you that coveted dewy glow. And here's a cool fact, mucopolysaccharides help your skin hold on to water longer. These molecules are like tiny sponges that attract and retain moisture, keeping your skin hydrated for hours. This is especially beneficial if you live in a dry climate or struggle with dehydrated skin. Perfect for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, aloe vera can work wonders. Its gentle and soothing properties make it a safe and effective choice for almost everyone. It's a truly versatile ingredient that can address a wide range of skincare concerns. Hydrates without greasiness. This is a game changer for those with oily or acne-prone skin who often shy away from heavy moisturizers. Aloe vera provides essential hydration without clogging pores or leaving a shiny residue. It plumps up skin cells, filling them with much-needed moisture and restoring their natural elasticity. This plumping effect can help to minimize the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, giving your skin a more youthful and radiant look, making your skin look fuller and smoother. Say goodbye to dry, flaky patches and hello to a complexion that feels soft, supple, and revitalized. The improved texture and tone will leave you feeling confident and glowing. Use it before your moisturizer to create a hydrating base that helps your other products absorb more effectively. Think of it as prepping your skin for maximum moisture retention. This layering technique can significantly boost the overall hydration levels of your skin, or on its own for a hydration boost. Sometimes, all your skin needs is a simple natural dose of aloe vera to feel refreshed and revitalized. It's a perfect option for those days when you want to keep your skincare routine minimal and effective. Pure aloe gel is a simple, natural way to keep your skin glowing. It's free from harsh chemicals and artificial ingredients, making it a gentle and effective choice for achieving a healthy, radiant complexion. Embrace the power of nature and unlock your skin's natural luminosity. Your skin will thank you. Incorporating aloe vera into your skincare routine is a simple yet powerful way to nourish, hydrate, and protect your skin. Get ready to experience the transformative benefits of this amazing natural ingredient and enjoy a complexion that looks and feels its best. Fact 5. Aloe vera juice can support digestion. Specially prepared juice, not the gel, contains enzymes that help break down sugars and fats. It can soothe bloating and support a healthy gut environment. Some find it acts as a gentle, natural laxative. Always choose high-quality, purified juice and consult your doctor first. Aloe vera is a natural way to support digestive health from the inside out. Feel good from within. Fact 6. Aloe vera is your skin's natural bodyguard. Its antibacterial agents help fight breakouts and keep pores clean. Antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene neutralize free radicals. It protects against environmental damage and premature aging. Using aloe is like putting on invisible armor for your skin. It's gentle, effective, and works for all skin types. Defend your skin daily with aloe vera. Who wouldn't want a superhero on their side? Fact 7. Aloe vera speeds up healing for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Polysaccharides accelerate skin cell reproduction and boost collagen production. It's like hitting fast forward on your body's healing process. Aloe soothes, protects, and helps prevent infection. For everyday scrapes, it's nature's first aid kit. Always see a doctor for serious wounds, but keep aloe handy for life's little accidents. One plant, endless healing power. Fact 8. Aloe vera may help lower blood sugar levels. Early studies show it can support insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. It's not a cure or a replacement for medication. Always consult your doctor. Aloe could be a helpful natural addition to a healthy lifestyle. The potential of plants like aloe vera is just beginning to unfold. Nature's secrets are still being discovered. Fact 9. Aloe vera is a hair and scalp hero. Its antifungal properties help fight dandruff and moisturizing properties soothe irritation. Enzymes clear dead skin cells, promoting healthy hair growth. Aloe's nutrients strengthen hair and add shine. Use it as a conditioner or hair mask for soft, healthy hair. It's affordable and natural and works from root to tip. Aloe vera, head-to-toe care in one plant. Fact 10. Not all aloe vera products are created equal. The world of aloe vera can be surprisingly complex. You might think you're grabbing a bottle of pure, soothing relief, but the reality is that many products on the market are far from the real deal. Navigating the shelves can feel like a minefield, with countless brands and formulations all vying for your attention. It's easy to get lost in the sea of green bottles, each promising miraculous benefits. But before you make a purchase, it's crucial to understand that not all aloe vera is created equal. The concentration of actual aloe, the presence of additives, and the overall quality can vary dramatically. Many store gels contain little real aloe. It's a sad truth, but many commercially available aloe vera gels are more filler than aloe. Some products contain only a small percentage of actual aloe vera, with the rest being made up of water, thickeners, and preservatives. This means you're not getting the full therapeutic benefits that pure aloe vera can provide. These products often rely on clever marketing and attractive packaging to lure in unsuspecting customers, and lots of alcohol or dyes. These additives can actually be detrimental to your skin. Alcohol, for example, can dry out the skin, counteracting the moisturizing effects of aloe vera. Artificial dyes, often used to give the gel that characteristic green color, can irritate sensitive skin and even cause allergic reactions. So, while the product might look and feel like aloe vera, it could be doing more harm than good. Always check the label. Look for aloe barbadensis leaf juice as the first ingredient. This indicates that aloe vera is a primary component of the product. The higher up it is on the list, the more aloe vera the product contains. Be wary of products where aloe vera is listed further down, as this suggests a lower concentration. It's also important to look for the specific term, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, as this refers to the most commonly used and researched species of aloe vera, known for its beneficial properties. Pure aloe gel is clear, not bright green, and has a fresh scent. The artificial green color often indicates the presence of dyes. Real aloe vera has a subtle, slightly grassy aroma, not an overpowering perfume. If your aloe gel is intensely green or has a strong artificial fragrance, it's likely not the pure, natural product you're looking for. For the best results, use products with 99–100% pure aloe or harvest your own from a plant. Growing your own aloe vera plant is a fantastic way to ensure you always have access to pure, unadulterated gel. It's a relatively low-maintenance plant that thrives in sunny locations. When you need aloe vera, simply snip off a leaf and squeeze out the gel. Don't fall for marketing. Choose quality for real benefits. Investing in high-quality aloe vera products or growing your own plant will ensure you experience the true healing and soothing properties of this amazing natural remedy. Be a label detective and protect your skin. Your skin is your largest organ and it deserves the best possible care. By choosing pure, high-quality aloe vera, you're giving your skin the nourishment and protection it needs to stay healthy and radiant. Your body deserves the real deal. Don't settle for imitations or watered-down versions. Choose pure, natural aloe vera and experience the difference it can make for your skin and overall well-being. That's a wrap 10 incredible aloe vera facts. Which one surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. For a bonus mix, pure aloe gel with honey for a glowing all-natural face mask. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and stay tuned for more wellness secrets. Your support means the world. See you in the next video.